Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to copy image from one sheet to another sheet in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then I show the Excel document from the now insert from the picture. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for the picture option. Then choose picture. Now for insert option. Then show the insert from the picture in the Microsoft file. This picture from the copy from one sheet to the another sheet. Then picture from the select. Now click for the mouse right button option. Now click for the copy. Then another sheet from the now click for the file option. Now click for the new option. Then I can see is show the other sheet. This another sheet from the copy. Now click for the new here. Now mouse right button from the click. Now click for the paste option. That's it. Then I show the image picture and copy from the one sheet to the another sheet. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.